Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. And here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it was 21 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings, so 11 minutes, and then camera 2 minutes. If you want to, you can check some further details just by tapping on this graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can compare the time in specific days of the week. I do not have the data for the previous days, but this is basically how it works. You can check all of the apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them, and notifications, I mean the amount of notifications you've received, and unlocks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.